Hello everyone, so this is just a review of what conjunctions are. Conjunctions are used to connect words, phrases, and sentences. It makes when we write more complex and also interesting. So let's look at some of the conjunctions we've learnt already. Again, how and why they're used. So here are four: or, and, but, and so. So or is to show a choice between two or more options. So here's a sentence. What sport do you prefer to play? Soccer or cricket? And is used to connect words and sentences or to add information. This Wednesday is a holiday and I will go to the movies with my friends. Here's another sentence. Muhammad likes to eat apples and oranges. But is used to show difference or opposite ideas. Rohan plays soccer well, but he is an impatient player. So is used to express a result. I studied hard, so I passed the test. And a few more. Because, although, and when. So, because is used to give a reason. Because I studied hard, I passed the test. Here's another sentence. I passed the test because I studied hard. Although. Although is used to make the main statement in a sentence seem surprising. Although the sun was shining, it was still cold. He ran the marathon, although he was 80 years old. And finally, when is used to indicate time. When I get home from school, I am going straight to my bed. I am going straight to my bed when I get home from school. Here's something you may have noticed with the last three conjunctions: because, although, and when. So notice that when these conjunctions, because, although, and when, are used in the middle of the sentence, it doesn't take a comma because it doesn't need anything, it's already complete. But when it's used at the beginning of a sentence, you must put a comma. Let's look at it. Because I studied hard, comma, I passed the test. I passed the test because I studied hard. The first sentence needs something to complete it. So you put a comma. The second sentence doesn't need anything. So once those three conjunctions are at the beginning, you must put a comma. When it's in the middle, it doesn't take a comma. Okay? All right, so see if you can figure this out and take the quiz. All the best.